Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Rick, aka Iconic with Iconic Invest. Just wanted to bring you a quick video. I started a new trading account. This was done on the 7th. This is not a challenged account, just a live account that I opened up. I found a really great broker. My friend is actually using this broker and has gotten paid from them. I do have several live trading accounts. I have with Awanda. I have with, I think the company is called like LMNFX or so forth and so on. And the reason why I went with this broker is because when I was demo trading, I chose a demo account for $250, and I was able to trade as low as 0.01 on the US 30. I think it was like 50 cents or 30 cents or something like that. That was enough for me to sign up with this broker because US 30, gold, those are the things that I really like to trade. And as far as the Forex is concerned, I do love the GBP trade pairs like the GBP NZD, GBP JPY, Euro GBP, and GBP odd. Okay, but enough about that. So this is a live account that I'm going to try and grow. I have to become a professional trader. I have to do this for a living. I see myself doing this for a living. I wake up thinking about trading. I go to bed thinking about trading. I could talk about trading every day of my whole life. It's only right that I become a successful trader. Okay. So I deposited $198. Well, let me rephrase that. I deposited $200 and there was a $6 fee. So I ended up with $198. So let me go ahead. I'm going to show you the back office of the account that I just started. Show you that I have not taken any trades. I did deposit the money and that this is a live account that I'm going to be trading. I chose to not do the FTMO or any other funded challenge because somebody did message me on YouTube, made a comment and say, hey, I think you should put your money into a regular trading account and trade. So I listened, right? I listened to the comments. I read the comments and it makes sense because if I were to take the $198, there's a company called Buoy Trade that I could actually get a $50,000 trading account. This profit split goes up to 60%, but initially you get 50%. I would have to wait maybe about 45 days before I even become a funded trader, right? And the possibility of losing the money and the possibility of gaining. However, if I cannot turn this $198 or $194 into profit, then I have absolute no reason trying to trade a funded account. But the goal is to bring this account up, pull out a few dollars, and at that time just try and trade the funded account when I'm not really needing, when I could wait 45 days, right? So enough. So let's go ahead and take a look at the new account that I created. As you can see here, top left, we have account number 4300158. Let's go into the transaction history real quick. The account history, as you can see, profit and loss 0, credit 0, deposit 194, withdrawal obviously nothing because I haven't traded anything. And then you can see there that is absolutely blank. I haven't made any type of trades or anything. Okay, now let's go to the broker account. I really love their back office, honestly I do. Okay, so this is my accounts tab. As you can see here, we have the trading account, which is where we have the live trading account, and then we have the demo trading account. Demo trading account number is 9876722215. Matter of fact, I actually have a demo trade going on right now that I did last week. I might take a quick look at it, even though I don't really care if it's winning or losing, because I do have my live trading account. So as you can see, the leverage right now is 1 to 100. I did request for an increase, so that's pending right now, just so I can have that higher leverage, even though leverage is not the well, listen, it's a double-edged sword. That's all I gotta say. So let's take a look at the advanced reporting real fast. As you can see, the $194 equity, this is the last access, which is today, which is the 9th here in the US. It is currently 6:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Florida. The deposit, 0 trades open, 0 trades closed. I have not taken anything yet. Okay, so I'm waiting for that. Let's jump into the accounts real quick again and see. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the leverage to see if they'll increase it. I might email customer, well, not email, but I might message customer service a little bit later to see. So let me jump back to the charts real quick, and we're going to, I think this is pulling up FTMO. By the way, I did do an FTMO account the other day. I started it on the 30th of April, and I turned it into $93,000. As you can see, $93,742. The account history, there it is, April 30th. But let me get back to the other account here. $194. So we're gonna go ahead, and the GBP trade that I took actually was a short on the demo account. So I'll show you where I shorted that. I shorted that one. Let's put this template back on. So it would have been a bust because I actually shorted up somewhere in here, and the market dropped a little bit. It dropped 27 pips, and as you can see, it's pushing to the upside. Okay, so that was a losing trade any damn way. All right. So right now it looks like GBP. I'm looking, I might trade this, but what I'm looking for is to see if we can get a break back below the 1.40031 level. We'll just say 1.400 level. Let's just mark that off at 1.400. Okay. So if we can get a break back below that level, then I'll look for some possibly shorts, and that's on the GBP USD. And as far as the indices here, this is the US 30. On this one, I'm just waiting patiently, quite honestly. I'm just gonna wait for this one because it's just making some crazy highs here. And you could get a nice short, because where I'm looking to get into this market, if I'm looking for another long, not another, but if I'm looking for a long position, it's gonna be at the 34520.44 level. But from where the market is right now, that drop, let's see, we're talking about almost 300 pips. So if I were to take a short on this particular trade right here, I'll be looking for the market to break this last high candle. Okay, and that's where I'll be looking to take some type of short. Okay, but for right now, I'm looking for longs. Okay, so these are going to be my levels that I'm looking at. I'm going to either look for the market to retrace back down to my 80% fib. Okay, that's my 80%. That's my 80% kill zone. If the market is real aggressive, then from what I noticed, the way I'm using my fibs, what I'm looking at, not what anyone else is looking at, it typically will come to the 40% and it will retrace. Okay, and that's an aggressive market. When the money's flowing back into the market, it typically don't pull back too far. Okay, so we're looking, if we get it into 40, then we're gonna take it back up to my 40% kill zone. If you see this says AKZ, I label that as aggressive kill zone. Okay, but nonetheless, that's what I'm gonna be looking at. So right now I'm just waiting. It is Sunday. Ain't nobody real trading right now. There's really no institution in the market, so I'm going to just wait till the market comes into a level, or for the market to start some type of consolidation, because right now it's just pushing up slowly. So when it starts consolidating, that's when buyers and sellers are actually agreeing on a price. And then at that time, we're going to be looking for the market to break out of that particular zone, as it does over and over and over. And you can see the market consolidated somewhere in this area here. And then, that's when the buyers and the sellers are in equilibrium. They're agreeing, hey, this thing is worth $1. Yes, it's worth $1. I'm selling it at $1. Oh, I'm buying it at 50 cents. And everybody's agreeing. And then when nobody's agreeing on price or something of that nature, when there's really no supply, then the demand tends to get high. It's like when a pair of Jordans come out, you know, they create only 100 pair of shoes, but there's damn near 10,000 buyers. You could sell that shit for just about anything. The market is the same exact way, right? So that's why the market pushes up, right? Then we get a pullback. And if you notice this small pullback here, I'm gonna drop my fib on this long move, which is what I was doing on that FTMO account, and then I was going in for my 80%, 60%, or my 40%. So I'm just going to take this candle, right? Let's take a look at this candle. Boom. So let's move the original fib that I put on. Okay, we're going to see where the market went. Okay, so the market pulled back into my 60%. When it pulled back into my 60%, I'm looking for a 60% move to the upside. As you can see, the market pushed right up into the 60% and pulled back again. Right? That was another opportunity for somebody to get in. So what I would have did again on that one, I would have wait for the longest candle here, drop my fib on the longest candle. Okay, there we go again. Here's the market. The market came back. Boom, pull back into the 60%. Actually, let me go to the upside. I did that incorrect. So from bottom to top, right? So market pushed right into the aggressive kill zone to 40%. And it pretty much it went back up into the 40, right? And it pulled back. It came back again. Pulled off, pulled back again. The market's doing some crazy things. But this is what I'm going to be using, supply and demand and my Fibonacci to help me get into trades. Anyway, enough of the talk. I'm just looking right now, waiting to see what the US 30 is going to do. Sitting here on my hands and knees, just waiting. And once I see a trade set up, I'm going to record and I will take that trade. I will try to take the trade live so you guys can see what I'm going to be doing, if I'm going to be if this account is going to grow or if this account is going to be a bust. So until next time, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share, don't forget to comment. It's very important. Give me some feedback, constructive feedback. Tell me what I could have did better to improve the video. Not the quality of the video, but what did I leave out within that trade? What did you not understand? What did not make sense? What I could have done better to analyze that chart, so to speak. Even though I have my own analysis, don't mean I can't learn from somebody else. I'm a very open guy, but I do have my own trade plan. And if it doesn't align with my trade plan, then that's just what it is. But let me help you comprehend what I'm looking at, and then you can do the same. So until next time, YouTube, it's your boy Rick, aka Iconic, signing off. Peace.